How to have images move when you scroll down on Wix website. So for example, you can see right here that the images move when I'm scrolling down or up on my Wix website. To get this, all you'll need to do once you're on your Wix editor page, you can select the image, or you could create a new section. Let me do that and add a new image. So I'll go over to the left hand menu option real quick and select add elements. And I'm just going to be adding a random image. Now you're going to select the image and you're going to tap right where you see the icon that says animation and effects. After you have done that, for example's sake, you're going to tap on scroll. Then from here you can see different options that you can choose from, different animations. The one that I tend to use is parallax, so you can select that option. Then you'll tap on customize and you'll be able to preview it in the Wix editor, so you can see how it would look right there. Once it is to your liking, if we were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, you can see that it moves right there when persons scroll down on or up on our Wix. When users scroll down or up on our Wix website, the images will move. Hope you found it helpful and informative.